What be all this one? What's all this rubbish? Let I just buy just now. What be this one now?
Waiting so.
I just buy one gig now.
1 gig.
1 gig, 350. Now they say one day plan, 350. No, I just make I do post one of my video. For I know what this invest me. This invest me.
I don't tell you this thing now. Say use do090. They buy your data.
090.
Yes, then they say 1 gig 200 naira. 200 only, and their data plan is ready for 30 days.
1 gig.
1 gig.
This guy dey lie. 1 gig 200 naira.
Enter Play Store right now. If you use any other device, if you use do090.com, go to their website, buy their data 1 gig. Check them now. You go see them. You go confirm them.
Mona true. do090 abi.
Yes.
This one so.
Yes, that one wey dey see so.
No one. 1 gig too. Make a check.
It's valid for 30 days. Anytime you want to buy data, they buy data from there. Even though your data don't finish on your phone and you know if you open the app, or chat their Facebook bot for Facebook free mood, you go buy data. Enter your phone, ASAP. Simple.
Mona true. Just give me 1 gig now.
Confirm. I tell you now.
30 days.
30 days. Valid for 30 days.
Why they lose? Why you got the ID update since? What this guy do?
It knows the information and the power. Now I don't pass am on. Don't forget to use my referral code though. Now I collect my shoppings.
Good. Too much.
Thank you.
Buy 1 gig data for all networks at 200 naira only. The app is available on Play Store or use our website for any other device. You can buy data even when you are out of data and offline via our page on Facebook free mode. Download or go to do090.com and get started.